Hello, this is the LB55040VX, which is a battery-powered leaf blower, and this is how it arrives with you in this box. So what we're going to do is take it out, put it together and show you how you can use it in your garden. So everything's now taken out the box. So what we've got here is we've got the battery and the battery charger. They come with it, and the all-important owner's manual. So that tells you everything that you need to know, but it is really easy to put together. We've got here various nozzles. We can change the ends to get a different sort of blow effect when we're using it around the garden. And of course here we've got the actual power unit itself where the battery fits. The first thing we need to do is to get the battery on charge, and here it is. We've got the charger and the battery. It will come with some charge already in it, but it's good practice to fully charge it. So I've plugged the charger in and we simply just slide that into position like that. Very easy to put in position, and when we've got there a green flashing light, that tells us that the battery is charging. When it goes a solid green, it's fully charged. And when we need to take it out, it's very simple. It's just the red lever at the back. Just lift that and then it will slide off, and then you can use it. And just a little bit of information on the battery care. Always take the battery out of the blower or any battery powered unit that you've got when you finish with it. That's a safety precaution more than anything. And store it somewhere at room temperature. Lithium ion batteries don't like to be cold, so room temperature is ideal. And then in the winter, when you're not using it, again, make sure that you bring it into the house rather than leave it over winter in a cold shed, and that will greatly improve the performance and the life of your battery. So we'll put that back on and get that charging. We're going to start by attaching the main part of the chute onto the blower here. So we need the red catch at the side so we can read the word Cobra, and just there is a little tab you can see. So the idea is it clicks onto that. So get it in that position and then just push that together and click it. You don't now need to take that off, that is it. And then we've got two attachments that go on the end. We've got this one with a round is more directional, so you get more force with that. If you've got light leaves and things, there's the duckbill one here, and that spreads it more in a fan. And they're interchangeable, and very simply, they just slide on there, as you can see, line them up, and then twist it, and that locks it into place. And to take them off, we just give it a little twist and off. So really easy to change them. And that's it. It's as simple as that. All we need to do now is put the battery on and we can start and use it in the garden. The battery is now fully charged. I've got my 4 little green lights there, which tells me it's fully charged. And to fit it onto the blower, very simple. It just slides on like that, and then again, clicks into position. And then to release it, it's just the lever there, and it pulls out like that. So just give it a tug. So that's clicked into position. We've got 2 controls here. We've got the power, the speed, and the turbo. So if we push the power, that starts the blower going. And if we keep pushing that down, we can see the green lights going up to the 4th position. So that gives it more power. If you want even more, hit the turbo button there, and it really, really blows. And to switch it off, we just hold the power button down for a few seconds and it stops the blower. Obviously these are great in the autumn when you've got your autumn leaves, but if you've got grass clippings on paths or driveways, again, you can blow them. So really good for tidying around the garden. So let's give it a blow. And there it is, really easy to use. And of course, when we finish, we take the battery off, keep it somewhere warm.
Remember to register your Cobra online at cobragarden.co.uk. Always have your Cobra serviced regularly. Check the website for your nearest dealer.